Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to decorate this all black Christmas tree that I found at Walmart, and I wanted to give it a witch hat theme. I did purchase the witch hat from Walmart as well. It was less than $5, and I had these white leaves that I purchased from Hobby Lobby in the floral section that I thought gave it a nice contrast. Next, I'm going to add the 3 witches hats that I had. I purchased them from Dollar Tree. They do come 3 in a pack. I had some leftover purple glittery balls from last year's Halloween, so I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to insert them deep into the tree. I found these glittery green embellishments from Hobby Lobby, and I did find them in the Christmas section actually, and they're so easy to work with. You can bend them and twist them, and they do go into the tree very nicely. Next, I'm going to work on my bow. I had some scraps laying around and I just kind of took them apart and used what I wanted. Started off with the black and white stripe, and I had a little bit of this glittery green ribbon left over, so I used that as well, and then I finished that off with a pop of purple. Here I'm just going to tie that off with a pipe cleaner, and I'm also going to use the pipe cleaner to attach it to my tree. I'm going to place the bow underneath the hat, and then I'm going to fluff my bow and trim off my tails. There was one loop I didn't care for. It just seemed like it didn't belong, so I ended up trimming that into 2 tails. Okay guys, this is my completed tree. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.